Hi everyone, it's Jakub from Algovera, and in this demo I'm going to show you how to use the Lit Protocol login button to add decentralized blockchain access control conditions to your Streamlit apps. Specifically, you'll be able to restrict access to content within Streamlit apps conditioned on the user having a specific NFT or any other token in their wallet, which could have a number of exciting applications in token-based subscription services for Streamlit apps. Okay, so here I have the example demo, and you can see this Streamlit app looks pretty blank at the moment. That's because I haven't logged into it, and Lit Protocol hasn't authenticated me as a valid user. So here in this first part of the demo, I created a login button with an ERC1155 contract type where the token that I'm trying to authenticate is the Algovera community badge. So I'm going to click login, and this is going to prompt a MetaMask connection. And it's also going to prompt the Lit Protocol signature. And you can see, because in my wallet I do actually have an Algovera community badge, I was successfully logged in, and I can now see the previously hidden content. Let's try this again with a wallet that doesn't have the Algovera NFT community badge. So I'm going to click login again. And this time I'm logging in with another wallet that isn't part of the Algovera community. And you see I'm getting an error saying that I'm not authorized to access this content. You are not restricted to only one token type. For instance, you can do the same with an ERC721 token. To do that, let's take a look at the code. So here we have the login button that we were using in this demo defined, where we add a label, we add a key. This is all part of Streamlit. We add a message to display on the button. And then we have these parameters that are specific to this Lit Protocol integration. We first pass in the auth token contract address, or the contract address of the token that's used for authentication. Then the chain name, which in this case was Polygon, but you can use any other chain that's supported by Lit Protocol and that you obviously need to have configured in your MetaMask. And we provide a list of all those chains in our documentation. Then the contract type, and lastly, num tokens. Now, num tokens provides the lower bound on the number of tokens you need to have in order to authenticate. So the value that Lit Protocol is looking for, it's always going to look for a value that's bigger than this number. So in this case, we passed in num token 0, which means we need to have at least one token of this type, of this specific token of this specific type, at least one, which is bigger than 0, in order for that authentication to take place. If we added 1, we would need to have at least 2. So now let's take a look at the ERC721 example. Let me just change this real quickly. And the chain name is going to be Ethereum, because this in particular is the Buffercorn NFT from Sporg DAO. Okay, so I think that should work. So let's just rerun this. Let me click login, and I'm going to connect with my account. I'm going to sign the transaction, and you see the login worked because my wallet holds that particular NFT. Lastly, the same thing can be done with ERC20 tokens. Here I have the contract address for Ocean tokens. So let me change this button. The contract type in this case is ERC20. Let me save that. And now you see that I've changed the num tokens, because obviously with ERC20 tokens, since they are fungible, you can expect people to have more than one of that particular token. So in this case, it's going to be checking whether my wallet has more than 20 Ocean tokens from Ocean Protocol. So save that, rerun, I'll click log in again. And this time the authentication happened automatically because I already had my wallet connected. So that's why I didn't see the signature, but the same authentication took place. This was a very quick overview of the new Lit Protocol integration to our streamlit-wallet-connect package at Algovera. If you're interested in learning more, head on over to the GitHub, which is github.com/Algovera AI/streamlit-metamask, where you can see the full documentation for this package, as well as how you can contribute to the package if there's some functionality that you would like to see in it but isn't implemented at the moment. And if you just want to see the documentation, you can take a look at docs.algovera.ai and go to the developer docs and then the Streamlit Wallet Connect package. Excited to see what you build with this.